Today's video, I'm showing you how to make point and kill fish at home. This is one of the most best joint food you can find in Nigeria. So I'm starting up with a fresh catfish. For you to get this very well, you have to use a fresh catfish. Guys, it's already neatly washed. I'm just going to dry the water off the body of the catfish. And then next, these are the ingredients I'm going to be blending. I'm going to list them out in the description box. Next, I'm going to be adding them in my blender. And then finally, I'm going to add oil on it and blend it smoothly. When you go to any joint in Nigeria, they usually have a small pond where they put live catfish. So when you go there, you point a live catfish, they prepare it for you immediately. That is why it is called point and kill. Next, I'm going to be adding the oil. The reason why I'm adding this oil is because I don't want to use water, because water is not needed on this process. Then I'm going to blend it very smoothly. It took me time for me to be able to blend this. So if you want to do it, maybe you can blend it bit by bit. Once I'm done blending it, I'm going to bring out my catfish and then pour the mixture on the catfish and try to spread it all around it. This fish is being roasted in Nigeria back then using charcoal. But thank God for development. You can now use your oven at the comfort of your own home to grill or bake the fish. So once I'm done applying this mixture on the body of the fish, next I'm going to be adding my sliced carrots, green pepper, spring onions, and the rest of them. Once I'm done applying this on the body of the fish, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap it or fold it very well with my foil. Once I wrap it up together, close it very well, next is to put them in the oven. If you love eating fresh fish, try this method. You will not regret it. And also, you can use other fish like tilapia or any other fish you have at home. Make sure it's fresh fish. Follow the same method. It's going to come out nice. If you are the type that have visitors coming in and out of your home and you struggle with what to get for them, prepare this fish for them. You are going to leave a taste in their mouth they will never forget in a hurry. So once I'm done wrapping the last one, this is how it looks. I'm going to put it in the oven and let it bake. So this is how it looks. I did not set timing while baking or grilling this fish in the oven. I just keep checking it time to time until I feel it is ready. Then I brought it out of the oven. It looks soft and tasty. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like this video, please leave good comment, thumbs up and share. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please subscribe so that when I upload the next video, you are going to see it. Bye!